Solihin, you need to wake up. Okay, we are doing division. Nothing changed except you need to take note for division. I will need to use KCF. Keep the first fraction, change the operation to multiply, then flip the second fraction. I'm going to use two examples to show you. Let's take a look at the first one. First thing, I need to rewrite. Okay, let's apply KCF. Keep the first fraction. For division, we change it to multiplication. After that, flip the second fraction. So if I want to flip the second fraction, alright, instead of writing 2a over 3, I must write 3 over 2a. The numerator and the denominator will flip. Same as in multiplication, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Number times number first. Alright, number times number first. So Solihin, 5 times 3, what will you get? Five times 3. So same thing, because it's division of fraction, alright, I need to apply KCF. So how to apply KCF again? Keep the first fraction. So I keep the first one. Then change the divide to multiply. So I change to multiply. Flip the third fraction. Flip the second fraction. Meaning instead of writing a over 6, Alina, instead of writing a over 6, what do you write? Solihin, heads up. Solihin, heads up. Alina, instead of writing a over 6, what should you write? 6 over a. Thank you. Then we apply what we did for multiplication. Alright, so I'm going to write everything out. Number times number. For the numerator first. 2 times 6, we should get 12. There's an a square. Can you all recall? How can we rewrite a square? A times a. Thank you, John. So I write down a times a. Instead of writing a square, I write down a times a because that's something we need to do later. Over. Okay, now multiply the denominator together. There's a 3. There's also a 1. 3 times 1 is just 3. Okay, I'm going to write all the letters at the denominator out. There's a A, there's a B, there's another A below. So I just write everything out. Then it's time for us to do our calculator. 12 divided by 3. Of course, you don't need calculator for that. But in case I'm careless, 12 divided by 3. 12 over 3, we get 4. How to write number 4 as a fraction? 4 over 1. Exactly. Thank you very much. So, can write 4 over 1. That's not all. Remember? Alright, our job is to reduce any letter that you see on top and below. So, what are the letters that we see? They are common that we can reduce. A. Alright, let me cancel this A. Is that it? Any other extra letter that we can reduce further? Another A, right? So I cancel in a different direction. Okay, any letter left on top? On top. Any other letter left on top? So on top, do we need to write any letter? No need. But at the bottom, there's a letter B. Okay, if you get to this step, nothing wrong. But there is a better way. Remember, what is the better way? Instead of writing 4 over 1b, 4b, 4 over b, because the number 1 is invisible. Alright, so we can write 4 over b. And this will be our final answer. Okay, so even in division, it's going to be the same. Except, take note, you have to apply your KCF first. Alright? That's it for the video.